Trying to make your first dollar online but having trouble? You might have tried a lot of different ways to make money, but none of them worked. Maybe it's too hard, or maybe your country doesn't allow it. Or maybe you just don't know where and how to start. Now, making an extra $100 to $300 a day is a dream for most people, especially if they are just starting out. Well, that's what I want to help you do in this video. I want to show you how to make an extra $500 to $1,000 with little or no work. Most importantly, you don't have to wait because this method is fast and instant. So buckle up and get ready because this is going to be fun! Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, I'm going to talk about how to earn $849 using this drag plus drop method. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, I want to tell you about Redbubble, which is the first website I want to show you today. You can go to the website redbubble.com. Don't worry, this is much easier than you think and a lot easier to do. So Redbubble in a nutshell lets you sell different designs. Now, if you enter a design on this website, they will help you have it printed on different kinds of clothing, stickers, phone cases, wall art, accessories, stationery, and so on. So you don't even have to sell anything. You don't even need any stock. This is one of the best ways for people who have never made money online before they start. Again, there are so many categories where you can sell your design to start making money on redbubble.com. Again, in just a moment, I'll show you free software that does everything for you and is 100% automatic. You can use it right away to make different designs. So make sure you keep an eye and don't miss that. I'll show you how it works though. After you sign up for free on Redbubble, you should click on My Account and then Sell Your Art. Just click on that and it will take you to your Redbubble account's dashboard. Now, there are a few things you can do if you're just starting out. First of all, you can now make different things. For example, you can upload different designs and photos. 2, you can set up a professional shop on Redbubble so that people can come to you to shop and buy different products. And number 3, you can get paid and have the money put right into your account. You can now choose to get paid in cryptocurrency through a bank transfer or with PayPal money. But anyway, I'll keep this simple and show you how to do it step by step right now. So in this case, you want to make something. So all you have to do is click on Add Design. That will take you to a page where you can actually add your new work. So from there, you have 2 options. You can either upload a new design or use one that already exists. Let's say you're brand new and this is your first account. So you're going to start by uploading a new work. So all you have to do to upload a design is click on the button. Basically, you'll upload that design. Now, I know that many of you don't know how to design. So how can you actually make different photos and graphics, right? And that's why I want to show you Snappa, which is the second website I want to talk about. So just go on to snappa.com. Now you can make different online graphics quickly and easily on this site. It is actually very simple and easy, and you can choose from a lot of done-for-you templates. Now all you have to do to start right away is click on the button. You can sign up for a free account on Snappa by entering your name, email address, and a password. So once you sign into your account, you can use their different templates to make different designs. But you'll quickly see that even there are a lot of templates, none of them really meet our needs. So basically, on Redbubble, you have to design something really unique so they can print it on different things like on the top of a t-shirt, a mug, a phone case, and so on. So that's why I want you to really pay close attention to what I'm going to show you right now. Now, I want you to type 2200 by 2200 right under graphic design. So that's the size you need for your custom designs. Now, all you have to do is click the Create button and you'll be taken to this dashboard where you can start making changes to your template. So you can add effects like putting text on top of your design or adding different graphics or shapes. There's so many things that make your life much easier. Now, if you made your design with Snappa, the first thing you'll do is click on Graphics. So from there, you can search for different icons, vectors, photos, and so on. Now, one thing you can do is drag it to make it smaller or bigger. So you can drag and drop to change its size and move it anywhere you want. You can also add a text, which is the second thing you can do. You can do it on your phone and on your computer, of course. So before I continue, I just want to know have you ever designed something like that? Well, let me know in the comment section below. So anyway, when you're done with your design, all you have to do is click the download button. You can save your design to your computer or phone. So once more, this is how you can get a free design on Snappa, where you can make many different designs. You don't need any technical or graphic design skills. All you have to do is drag and drop, then go back to your Redbubble account and upload the design. Now all you have to do is fill in a few simple details about your design. Now that's all you have to do to get your design on Redbubble. So from there, you can just go down and look at product reviews to see how your design looks on different things like on top of clothes, phone cases, pillows, wallets, and other things. Redbubble has so many different designs and it helps you put them on different things. Once you're happy with the preview, you can go down below and choose up to 2 options for the media. You can choose between graphic design or illustration and digital art. Last but not least, if you scroll down below, you'll find a very important setting. Don't miss out on this. Now, once more, make sure you choose the optimizers and optimize recommended for your shop's default product. Make sure to choose these settings and choose View for Public so that other people can see them when they're browsing and shopping on Redbubble. Then you can just click to save your work after you agree to the terms and conditions. So they'll start processing right away and it'll only take a few seconds. And congratulations! You're almost ready to sell. Woohoo! So right now you can just complete your payment details and set up your payment options. That's basically your whole store on redbubble.com. When people go to redbubble.com and search for certain keywords, they might find your product. If they buy it, you'll make money. So I'm going to show you a bonus tip for promoting your design and your store right now. Now it's fine if you want to rely on Redbubble alone to help you sell products. But if you want your income to go to the next level and you want more free traffic to come to your store and buy different designs, you'll have to start promoting your design on your Redbubble store yourself. So I'm going to show you Parler, a brand new website that no one else talks about. You can go to parler.com. Basically, it's a brand new way to connect with people online. It works a lot like Facebook, but there aren't very many people using it. At the moment, not many people know about this website. So you have a good chance of getting a lot of free traffic to go to Redbubble and buy your design. So if you want to join Parler today, all you have to do is click create a brand new account and agree to the terms. Then bring your email address, your mobile phone number, and a password, to verify your account. Again, it's a lot like how Facebook works, where you can write different posts. So you can find hashtags that people are using right now. Now let's say that when you click on these hashtags, you can find people from all over the world who are participating in the community and posting different posts, pictures, and videos that have something to do with the hashtag. You can use this close-knit community in Parler to get free traffic to your Redbubble shop. So when people click on your store's link, they'll go to the page where they can look around and maybe buy a hoodie or a t-shirt, mug, and so on. So once more, that's how you can upload different designs and start selling different things on Redbubble and get them to help promote your products. You can also help them promote their products to increase your income by using the pilot strategy I just showed you. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to design some t-shirts? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!